Please take it with some grain of salt. This video was originally created in 2020. Back then, the benchmark Fed funds rate was near 0% and the inflation was around or below 2%. So these are Treasury yields, short-term. All other Treasury yields other than 30-year were near 0%. And the inflation back then, in around between 2020 and 2021, was generally at around 2% or 1% range. The macroeconomic landscape has changed a lot since then. Inflation soared during 2022, as you can see, while the benchmark interest rates are above or around 5% as of this recording in October 2023. As a general rule, you need to constantly watch the macroeconomic variables to adapt to the changing macroeconomic environment accordingly.